We love Suno AI. For a long time now, it's been our most reliable go-to for AI songs. You type in a prompt and get an instant banger. It's been the gold standard for almost all our AI music needs. But for video editors, content creators, and even musicians at times, music is only half the battle. Sound effects, or SFX, are a crucial element of everything we make. I can't even count how many times I've been working on a project thinking, Suno gives us these incredible songs, but what if we could generate the sound effects we need right here too? Well, that missing piece is finally here. Suno just dropped a massive update called Sounds, and it has completely changed the game. Today we're putting it to the test. So, how do we access the sounds in Suno AI? That's simple. Open Suno and head to the Create tab, and you will notice that there is a new drop-down menu on the Custom mode. Click that and select Sounds Beta. And just like that, here we are. We have a prompt box to describe the sound we want. And look at the advanced options. This part is crucial. The main toggle is Type, in which you have one shot and loop. If you want a single hit, like a door slam or a transition sound, you can keep it on one shot. Or if you want a background texture that keeps going, like a river sound or a keyboard, switch to loop. And if you're looking for a sound in a specific BPM, you can type that in, and here you can select the musical key for your sound as well. That's about it for the interface, so let's try it out. First, let's go for a whoosh sound. If you're a video editor or a content creator, you might be familiar with whoosh sound effects. We mostly use it as a transition sound between camera or screen movements so that they feel faster and intentional. In the past, finding high-quality whoosh sounds usually meant digging through generic stock libraries and YouTube. Here, let's see if Suno can generate a clean cinematic whoosh right here. I'm gonna type Deep Cinematic Air Transition Whoosh here, and select one shot as the type of the sound. That is impressively clean. It's not exactly a short transition and takes time building the impact. Smooth and heavy, you could drop that into a big budget commercial edit right now, and no one would know it was AI. Next, let's try to make a camera shutter sound. Again, a sound that is more familiar to video editors and content creators. I'm going to type mechanical camera shutter click sound, one shot setting, and hit create. Ooh, yes, that is perfect. It's sharp, it's snappy, and it gives the viewer that satisfying transition they expect in a high-energy montage. You can download shutter sounds on the internet, sure, but with this new update of Suno AI, you can even customize the camera shutter effect tailored to your vision. Next, let's try something from a real-life context. Typing sound on a keyboard. I'm gonna type mechanical keyboard typing fast loop. For this one, we're switching to loop so the typing stays throughout the scene. Okay, that was a bit too chaotic. Let's listen to the second one. That's more like it. I know we asked for it, but the mechanical vibe here is a bit too much for me. Let's try changing the prompt for a computer keyboard instead. Okay, that is not at all what I asked for. Let's try adjusting the prompt a bit and regenerate. That is crisp. This right here is the main advantage of creating your sound effects with Suno. If you don't like what you got, you can still prompt and regenerate to align with your vision. Now, let's get into the memes. Comedy editing is 90% timing and sound. We've all heard the same 5 bonk sounds from 2012. But let's see if we can create something original here. I'll prompt, funny rubbery cartoon fail boing. Let's keep it one shot and hit create. It's got that classic stretchy Boing quality. It's bouncy, it's ridiculous, and most importantly, it's a unique generation. And because this is AI, you can generate 5 of these and pick the one that fits your specific visual gag perfectly. Now, what about a drum roll? I will type dramatic drum roll. That is pretty good. Maybe you're announcing a winner, a new product, or just building up to a punchline. A drum roll like this is a classic storytelling tool. Foley is the hardest thing to find on stock sites because footsteps usually sound like generic thumps. Let's say if your scene is in an old house, you need footsteps that sound like they're on wood. I'm gonna type heavy footsteps walking wooden floor. Setting, 1 shot. That was heavy footsteps like we asked for, but I feel like it's mixed with some beat. Not very clean as I like, so let's check out the second one. That one is great. It's not heavy at first, but has a good flow and feels realistic in a 3-dimensional world. Later, the sound of the footsteps became louder, just like it was coming closer to us. Perfect for cinematic scenes. Okay, we got some great one-shot sound effects. It's time to go back to the loop mode again. I want to create the sounds like when you enter a forest. You know, with bird sounds and some water. I'm gonna type birds chirping near a forest river, select loop, and hit create. Yes, that is perfect. The bird sounds are not irritating, and there's a subtle water flow texture as well, just as we requested. Next, I want to test something a little advanced. You know, the Doppler effect. Basically, we want to see if the AI understands that sound changes pitch when a moving object passes the listener. I'm typing emergency ambulance siren Doppler effect when passing. Okay, there was definitely a change of sound with vehicle movement, but it wasn't quite consistent. Let's listen to the other generation. Oh, that pitch shift from high to low was spot on. The siren started out louder, which got barely audible towards the end, just as the vehicle was passing by. That's impressive. Usually you'd have to manually pitch shift a stock siren to make it sound like it was actually passing a car, but Suno handles the physics for you. So here's the bottom line. Suno AI is no longer just a place to make a funny song about your dog. With this Sounds update, it has become a workstation for anyone who works with video content. Think about the time and energy you've wasted searching through stock sites for sounds that were only good enough. Now, your workflow is simple. Think it, type it, and drag it into your timeline. Is it perfect? No. And it's still in beta. As you saw, sometimes this can be a hit or miss. And you might have to regenerate a couple of times to get exactly what you need. But even with those small hiccups, the speed of creating original royalty-free assets is a total game changer. The gap is finally closed. Suno AI isn't just a song generator anymore. It's a full-on sound design station. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm deep diving into Suno AI features and updates every week. Go experiment with the sounds, and I'll see you in the next video.